Remove this bolt and that bolt to get the caliper out. It's a 15. If you stick this you don't have that much space right here, so when you unbolt you might get stuck here against the muffler. This one I'm just loosening it. I'm gonna hand. There you go. And this should come out. All right, again, so you just use, actually it's still pretty good. It's not that bad. Got a lot of meat left, but I guess I might as well replace it because I already replaced the front and it came with the rear as well. And you need a star. Socket, and then just pop this out. Okay. So this is the same as the front socket star. But before you do that, you wanna spread this thing, compress the piston in here so go back easier. There's a clip here as well, make sure you take it out. There. There's a one. The back here only have one piston instead of two. The front have two piston. Right there I have compressed all the way back. This take a little bit longer, but it shouldn't take that long than the front one. Don't forget the back plate. And then where's that clip? Right here. Make sure you put that back. That's it. Now just push it back into the up in there and put the bolt in. Just snug it up. It'll take about 20 minutes to half an hour, just because it's under, the muffler's in the way, so you gotta, you know, finagle with it. But other than that, you're done, and make sure you don't forget to pump the brake until it's hard right up here. All right, nice and tight, all set. Done. You just save yourself probably $150 $200 depending on the dealership. That's it. That was fast and easy. You guys can do that yourself. No need to spend your money at the dealership. All set. This the second set here that I've done on this one. I did that one probably this two knee soon here. This also 60, and that is a Scout 1200, and that's my Scout bobber. That one's fairly new, but let me see how many miles this one here. 27,000 miles, because I ran these bikes out on TampaMotorcycleRental.com. So last time I think I replaced the front, the back, it was I think 12,000 miles. So there it is, all set. All these bikes can rent at TampaMotorcycleRental.com.